I've got a jet here. It's out of a Honda monkey bike. It's a pilot jet. So, and it's blocked. It's not the best on the inside, giving the carby a bit of an overhaul. So what I'm going to do is clean and polish the inside. And I've got electric drill. You might need a smaller chuck. There's a piece of wire out of it's about 0.3. It's actually out of a wire brush there. And I've got a hammer, and I flatten the end of it, just peen it over, bend it, flatten it, just to give it more area, more cutting, if it's going to cut or push or polish anything internal. Now what you do is you get a bit of polish, a bit of grinding paste ultimately, toothpaste, but I've got a bit of metal polish here, better than nothing. Then what I do is stick it in there, and away you go, up and down. Due to this wire, you can bend it all over the place, and if you flatten the end, gives it more area, more abrasive area. And there you go, up and down, all around. There you go. Now just do the same the other side.